Okay guys, so you have your Tapo camera now recording and you're here looking for a solution, correct? So here I have the Tapo C520WS and let me tell you about how you can fix the problem with the camera now recording. The first thing that I have to check here if you have an SD card in the camera, and then the camera is going to record into the SD card, of course, or you can use the cloud storage to record. In my case, I have an SD card into the camera, so I don't depend on the cloud to record. The first way I can check this is just coming here to the playback and download. And from here I can see my card. You see here, this tab, there is a blue card that represents my SD card and it's recording. You see here, it's not live image anymore. It's a recording being played here. And you see there's the motion detection, another motion detection here, 2 clips. And I can just expand this area here on the timeline and see that's being recorded by motion. So if I come back here to the main screen, the first thing that I have to check related to the card is just come here to the gear icon and to the storage and recording. In here, local storage, I see my card. And I see that's good and has loop recording, which means it's going to record and delete old videos and record the new ones, keeping this cycle, always recording, right? And if it's not that way for you, you just need to connect to insert a new SD card and format it. Otherwise, it's not gonna work. No SD card, no recording. Just make sure the SD card is good here, and then you come back and check the recording schedule. You see that I have recordings by motion detection all the time, every single day of the week and every hour. You can change here if you want to continue the recording, but I just use that way. The camera comes out of the box working that way. Here I have enabled local recording and also sound. So just check this. And something else that I need to check, very, very important. Here on the detection menu, you see the detection zones. Here is set for all. And have a different option here. It's just set for each. So perhaps yours is like this. You have different areas here being monitored and it's just not working. Okay? So I advise you to come here directly to the set for all, test first, and later you can do something different here if you want to. But let's just work with set for all. Basically the entire area here is being monitored, and then you can select the detection type. Motion detection, person detection, pet detection, vehicle detection, line crossing detection, or camera tampering. Which means if somebody blocks your camera, it's going to trigger the alarm, it's going to record by tampering, right? Let me just enable here vehicle detection, for example. And when I do this, I can also adjust the sensitivity here, which it comes from 1 to 10. 1 less sensitive and 10 more sensitive. Just make sure that you have your sensitivity good enough. You can just enable this for any detection type that you want. Let's say person detection. If you enable this, you just need to come here, adjust, then you come in front of your camera and you start dancing, running, doing whatever you want to do in front of your camera, just to make sure that it's detecting motion. Okay? Then it's going to work. And I have everything set up here. And when I come here to the main screen and I see the image from my camera, you see that I have this option to tag on and off. When you have tag on, you see that you have the motion information here. When somebody is moving in front of the camera, there's a tag that shows that's moving. That confirms that's working for you. The motion is working for you, and then the camera has the information to start recording. Okay? It's a good idea. I always do this just to make sure that's recording pretty fine, right? And when I come here to the playback, let's see, I have more video here. You see that I had 3 before, and I have 1 more. And you see the symbol here for vehicle detection. So because I just enabled there, right? And I have here the different color to represent the vehicle detection and also the motion detection. And you see the tags as well. So I have the tags working. Back here to the live view, I have the vehicles passing there. And with the tag enabled, I can see that's working, right? So I just need to check all of this. The first thing is just check the SD card, make sure that I have a good SD card there. And I will leave the link here in the description for good SD cards. Don't use like crap SD cards, otherwise it's not gonna work. So test SD card, put a good one there, format SD card, that's number 2. And then number 3, you're gonna check the schedule. And number 4, you're gonna check the detection type, if they're enabled, and the sensitivity for everything, right? And then you're gonna have your camera recording. So it's pretty simple. That's the way you can solve the problem with your Tapo camera not recording. In this case, I have the Tapo C520WS, but that works for any Tapo camera. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here if that solves your problem. And also give your thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.